I'm really proud and happy to open up this section where we will be designing the whole presentation from scratch till a finished, fully functional and nice looking presentation. I just want to say a few things. All the slides we will be creating. At first, we will design how the slide will look like, and after that, we'll go and animate the elements that are on him. So just to give you an overview, throughout the whole creation process, those things will appear multiple times. Just know where they are. On the Home tab, we have Select and Selection pane. All elements that are on a presentation are listed in the Selection pane. This is just like layers in Photoshop or any other graphic editing program. So the left box and the right box are two rectangles. You can of course rename. So this will be for the first part. The second part is also very important, animations and the animation pane. Once we animate anything, for example, making it fade, making it flow in, we will work in the animation pane. I will close the selection pane. The animation pane shows all the animations one after another that are on a slide. That's all for the introduction. Do not worry if you didn't know them or if you are a veteran in using them. They will appear throughout the whole presentation and you can create along with me, so it will be no problem for you to make. And one last thing I have to say, you won't learn how to do it unless you do it on your own. So I will try, when creating, divide each slide into the design and the animation process. And I would like you, after I have designed the slide, you could pause the lecture and redesign it on your own, and then watch the rest and animate it immediately afterwards. Eventually, you can watch the whole lesson and then recreate it. But it's crucial and it's very important that you learn from this course as much as possible. I hope this is really motivational for you and you will gain as much as possible from these few lessons. Remember, you do not have to spend a lot of time each day. Just take a few lessons and create the slides on your own, and in a few days you have the presentation complete. You'll be really amazed and happy with the things you've done.